Hello?
May I speak to Dale?
Who is this?
This is Casey with BOE. We spoke to him earlier.
Casey?
Yeah.
Okay, just one moment.
Hello?
Dale.
Hey, sorry about that. My wife's just checking for me. I've been getting a lot of calls from colleges because I looked in online like scholarships.
Yeah.
Now I got 8 million colleges calling me.
Oh, that's all right. Not a big deal. Do you have a second?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, cool. All right, just want to give you a heads up. I do have you pre-approved for this loan. Now, I was running through your credit. We do have one little issue with the repo.
Right. Yeah, I figured that might.
So now it's not going to stop you from getting a loan. I can still get you. I can still get this done, but the thing is, we're going to need a little money down. You said you already have about $1,000 in your savings account. Is that right?
Yeah, I can get that up to 1,000 within a month.
Okay. We're going to need. I mean, we're probably going to need about 4,000 total. So, and here's the thing. Let's say if we closed it. Let's say if we closed it by let's say end of October, early November, and your first payment wouldn't even be due till January. So that's good news. So that'll give a little breathing room. Do you? Is there anything in your house that you can sell? Do you have a garage sale?
Not to come up with 3,000.
They will.
I mean,
gift. Just to let you know.
Right. That's the only way I could come up with it. The only way I
member or an employer.
Yeah, and that's the way I come up with it was if I had a family member that could maybe do it, and I don't even know if I do. I'd have to ask around.
Right.
Assuming we can come up with that, how much is it approved for?
I'm going to send that over to you, but it's right around 140.
Okay. All right. And then there would be, now with having to put money down, that means we could look anywhere, right?
You can look, I can get you in Port St. Lucie, anywhere. You nailed it.
Okay. All right. I'll tell you what, I'm going to visit my mother this weekend, so give me about a week or two to ask around and see what I can come up with.
Awesome.
And should I try you on the office line or the cell phone line?
Yeah, well, both. Always try my office first, and if I'm not there, then then try my cell. All right. So when do you think you'll know by?
I should definitely know in 2 weeks. Absolute worst, because see, if I can get moved, you were saying if we can get moved in by November, then we wouldn't have a payment due till.
Yeah, you wouldn't have a payment due till January. So it's 60 days.
All right, I might be able, because then what I can do is just let my parents know, my mom know that, look, I'm not going to have a rent payment due or a mortgage payment due in December, so that's basically $1,000 I could pay her back right off the bat.
Right.
So, all right, let me, like I said, can I let you know?
All right, cool. I'm gonna go ahead and lock it in. I'm gonna send you the pre-approval.
Okay.
Okay. And then meantime, work on your money, okay? And we'll get this.
Now, it wouldn't even be considered a gift. Like, say they just gave me the money, then I don't even have to worry about being a gift, right?
Well, the thing is, it would, it would. Someone could, but the problem is it would delay things because you would have to season that in your bank account for a while. But you can get a gift, but it has to be from a family member, and then it would save you some time. Well, that's what I'm saying, but it can only be from one family member, right? From a family member?
I couldn't do like my mom do half and say my dad do half.
Yeah, you can do mom half, dad half. Yeah, not a problem.
Okay, yeah, totally. Well, because they're divorced, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be one family. It just has to come from family.
All right, does father-in-law count too?
Father-in-law? Absolutely.
Yeah. All right. Give me about 2 weeks.
Okay.
Good.
And also, we have a tax proration for you as well.
What's that mean?
So basically, it's basically a break on your property taxes, state of Florida. So you're a first-time home buyer.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. And then after that, now the one thing I keep hearing about, after that you can apply for a homestead, which might drop your taxes some too, right?
Yeah, the homestead drops. In Florida, it's $25,000.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah, and you'll be able to apply for that exemption once once you actually have the house. So.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
All right.
And that'll be credited to you.
Well,
later.
I really appreciate that.
Absolutely. So what I'll do is
Okay.
I'm gonna type up the pre-approval, and I'm gonna get you set up with one of our realtors. And they're local,
Okay.
Lucy. Okay. And the thing is
Okay.
they'll look after your best interest and ours as well. Okay. We work with them a lot. And,
Okay.
yeah, I don't want anyone else, steering you the wrong direction. Okay.
No, absolutely not. That's what I'm saying. And that's about where I was looking at too, that price range, because that'll make my mortgage definitely less than I'm paying in rent now, which would be nice.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. You don't have any problem working with any of our pre-approved realtors, do you?
No, I don't care. I mean, as long as we find a house that's affordable and has what I'm looking for, I'm good with that.
All right. Cool. That's awesome. All right. Well, cool. I'll get everything ready and I'll send you the pre-approval. And in the meantime, work on your money.
Okay. And just worst case scenario, if I can't find, if they just don't have the money to help,
right.
And I have to save it myself, how long is that pre-approval good for? Or do I need to reapply if it's like more than 6 months?
3 months.
3 months?
Mm-hmm.
I might be able to squeeze, even if I can't get their help, I might be able to squeeze something out in 3 months. So.
Okay. Just got to get creative.
All right.
We're going to do this, though.
Yeah, no, I'll do the best I can. I appreciate it.
Absolutely. You're welcome. Absolutely. So, do you have a pen?
Yeah, give me 1 second.
All right.
Yeah, go ahead. Go with it.
I've got everything.
You there, Casey?
Hold on 1 sec.
Okay.
All right. You ready? You there? Give your pen?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yep.
Basically, a girl named Christina from Keller Williams from our office is going to be giving you a call, and she's going to be the one that's going to set you up with one of our screened realtors, okay?
Okay.
And just write her name down and her number, just so you know where the call is coming from.
Christina, go ahead.
Oh, I'm waiting for her number. Hold on.
Okay.
It's 832-439.
832. Yep.
439. What is it? 4040.
Okay.
She'll be giving you a call.
All right. Will that be today or like a couple days?
Probably, most likely today, or tomorrow. We're going to
Okay.
call her right
Tomorrow, if you would. All right. I work tomorrow from 7 in the morning till 6 at night.
Okay.
All right. Just so that they know.
Okay. Not a problem. We'll let her know.
All right. I really appreciate it. Just out of
welcome.
curiosity, if you could tell me, what did my credit score come up as?
Your credit score right now is 619. Right there where you said it was.
Oh.
So.
Oh, perfect. That's what I was hoping for. I've been busting my butt trying to get that up.
You've done a good job. We've done a good job with that. So.
All right.
And
I appreciate that.
yeah, you're on the right track. All right, cool. I will. We'll be in touch. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks, Steph. Bye.